Keep getting the "Your iPhone cannot be backed up" error when backing up your iPhone to iCloud? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue and back up your precious data. So let's dive right into the solutions without wasting any time. Before trying anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Solution 1. Turn off or turn on iCloud backup. Open Settings. Next, tap on your Apple ID from the top. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on iCloud Backup from here. Now toggle off Backup, this iPhone. Then tap on Turn Off. Next, wait a few seconds and then toggle it on. After that, toggle on Backup over mobile data. Now check if the issue is gone. Solution 2. Check iCloud storage. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Tap on iCloud and then tap on Storage. Check if you have sufficient storage for a new backup. If you are running low on space, consider either upgrading your iCloud storage plan or deleting unnecessary files. After freeing up space, try running the backup again. Solution 3. Sign out and back in to Apple ID. Open Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then scroll down and select Sign Out. Then restart your device. Once restarted, sign back in to your Apple ID. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset network settings. Then enter your passcode and tap on Reset network settings again. After that, the issue should be fixed. So guys, that's how you fix the "Your iPhone cannot be backed up" error on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.